employment is the gateway for the American dream, as Joyce has indicated. The power of work promotes the power of being a fully inclusive citizen in our society. People with disabilities have ability, and we need to shout that from the highest mountain. And the governor knows that being the chair of the NGA, he has an opportunity to have that bully pulpit and to shout it for the next year with his colleagues, his fellow governors. And what he said to me is we need to move this needle forward and advance employment opportunities in the competitive workforce, not only in the private sector, but in the public sector as well. So without further ado, I would like to show the video of Governor Jack Markey.